Hi. I have a beko dsfn 1530 dishwasher and the door won't shut. I've checked the racks are sat flush against the back, and there is nothing in the seal. Any advice? It seems to want to run, even with the door open.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. If you take the baskets out from the dishwasher then try and close the door, does it close then? Regards.
Tried that, no it doesn't.
Okay, that's fine, just need to check it wasn't anything to do with the baskets. What you need to do is open the door and on the inside you will see the screws holding the outer door panel on. Remove this and then you can remove the plastic control panel. There you will see the door latch. On there you will see a hook. Check this isn't flipped back, as if it has then it will stop the door from closing and you get this fault. So check the door latch and see what you find, as it's either the door latch of the hinges. So if the door latch is okay and it still won't close, then it's looking like the door hinges will be the fault here. Regards.
Thank you, was pushed back, and I popped it into place. Getting the door back on was a bugger though. Dishwasher seems to work.
Hi, nice one, glad to hear it was just the catch that had flipped back. And thanks for letting me know how it went. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.